Let's make kelewele. You need ripe plantain. It has to be ripe and hard or firm. If it's underripe, you don't get the sweet taste of kelewele. And if it's overripe, it's best used for making plantain fritters. You first start off by peeling your plantain and cutting away the soft or bad parts. Slice the plantains into your preferred shapes and sizes. I recommend slicing them into medium-sized cubes. They are just so beautiful and the plantains absorb the spices better. The secret to making the tastiest kelewele is ginger. So you need a lot of ginger, a lot of pepper because we want it spicy, and some onions just to balance out the flavor. I like to coat the plantain with salt before adding the blended spice. This method sends the kelewele to a different level as all the ingredients are well combined. When you're done combining everything, you would leave the plantains to rest for 10 minutes to soak up all the spice. Go ahead and heat up vegetable oil. You need a lot of oil because we are going to deep fry this. Don't move the plantain around too much, else you will break them apart. Allow to cook on one side for 2 minutes on medium heat before turning it. And please be gentle. You know it is ready when they are golden brown and look crunchy. Repeat the same process on your next batch. Kelewele is best eaten with granules. So after frying the plantains, go ahead and fry your granules in the hot oil. Be careful because you can easily overcook it as the oil is super hot. Let's make scrambled eggs to go with our kelewele. I started by chopping my vegetables. I used bell peppers and onion, but you are free to use any vegetable of your choice. Or you can choose not to use any. It's completely optional. I cracked 3 eggs into a bowl and added the vegetables, salt, pepper, and small Maggi cube. I heated the pan and added just a little oil. Then I added the eggs and cooked on low heat, moving my ladle through it every 30 seconds until it was clumpy and dry. As simple as that, you've made kelewele and scrambled eggs. This is really delicious. You can take it as a snack, the kelewele alone, or you can take it as a full meal, just like what you've seen in this video. You can use any protein of your choice. I had this with some sobolo and gosh, this was amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment, share, and see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. God be with you.